Well, the pond's frozen up again. It's been in the negative for a little bit. And here's the water trough. I'm actually standing on it. And it's a 110 gallon one. And this one's outside. And let me show you what I got in my other one. I went out and bought this from Tractor Supply, and it's good for plastic tanks and all. And just show you how good it works. Walk through my barn, and I'll show you the other. It's been plugged up. This is the same tank, and it's actually in a stall. And it's not frozen, so these little heaters, they run a lot of power. They run a lot of power, but they work good if you don't have time to break up ice. All right, thanks.